Fashion these days is all about inclusivity. Familiar faces, familiar shapes, familiar stories. And only a queen like Sushmita Sen can make a statement about inclusivity with her ramp walk. All of this happened on stage at Day 2 of the Bombay Times Fashion Week, where the Tali actress thanked the LGBTQIA+ community and emphasized on the importance of unconditional acceptance and inclusiveness. She turned into an OTT bride donning a white and gold Rohit Verma ensemble and paired it with matching jewelry, kaliras and delicate floral accents in her hair. Her walk became more noteworthy as she lifted her veil on the ramp and did the iconic Tali gesture, giving an ode to the community. What a stunner! Then there was Sonakshi Sinha, who once again channeled her inner Faridan from Hira Mandi as she turned showstopper for designer Vikram Fadnis at the finale. She looked gorgeous in an embellished black and silver lehenga, which reminded us of every bit of Faridan and the poise she oozed on screen. The grand finale was definitely the highlight of the fashion week, but the rest of the days were equally star-studded. Shania Kapoor turned showstopper for the curtain raiser show by designer Neeta Lulla and looked gorgeous in this thigh-high slit gown. Malaika Arora stunned everyone on day 1 in this Archana Kochar ivory lehenga that married Lucknowi embroidery and mirror work. Karishma Kapoor too turned out to be an excellent showstopper for Varsha and Ritu in an embellished red lehenga complete with a long shrug. Mruanl Thakur, Alaya F, Shriya Sharan, Mukta Godse, Rahul Dev and Daler Mehendi also graced the ramp on the first day of the fashion week. Day 2 belonged to Shilpa Shetty and Diya Mirza, who personified modernity and royalty with their styles. Shilpa shone bright in a blingy ruffled golden sari and Diya looked like a princess in a purple lehenga. Well, we loved almost all the looks sported by our Bollywood divas. What about you guys? Who was your favorite showstopper? Share your thoughts in the comments and do subscribe to SHOWSHA for more such content.